Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I get this low bun. My hair is really thick, so I have to do it in layers, but I hope you guys enjoy this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I'll see you guys next time. For this hairstyle you're going to need a comb, a spray bottle, your favorite gel, some got2b spray, an edge brush, and some hair ties. So I'm going to start off by splitting my hair in half. Like I said, my hair is really thick, so it's easier for me to do this style when I put it in layers. So I'm just spraying a little bit of water around the perimeter of the section and then combing it out a little just to detangle it from the root, but I'm not going all the way down to the ends. And then I'm applying some gel. And then I'm just taking a hard brush and I'm going to smooth it out as best as possible. And I'm just going to put it in a ponytail. So when I get to the top part of my hair, I'm just putting my hair into a middle part. I'm going to split that section in half again. And I'm just repeating the same steps that I did on the back side, but I use more gel on the top half. And then once I put the rest of my hair in the ponytail, I'm just putting a little bit more gel on the top just to smooth it down some more. For my edges, I usually switch it up. Sometimes I'll do my edges like this, and then other times I will do them more like this. And then next I just take some Got To Be Free spray and I just spray that on the top of my hair and a little bit on my edges too, just so that they stay in place. And then I put a scarf on it for like 10 minutes or so. And here it is as like a puff, but I usually like to put it in a bun, so I'll just gather the hair in my hand and put another hair tie on top of it. And then when I go to sleep at night, I just put a scarf on and my bonnet, and it's fine for like a few days. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what other videos you guys want me to do. And yeah, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.